Want to know how to discover shops in CoinMaster? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, we can just simply open up your CoinMaster game, and once you've opened it up, you should be under this interface right here. So just simply on the top left side, you should be seeing this shop icon right here. This is a shop. So you can just simply select that, and you can see the amount of gold and the amount of energy that you have and the amount that you can buy. So this is only done through real money, so you can just simply see the purchase offers that you can see as well, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you view your shop or just simply discover shops in CoinMaster. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.